Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about the weekend. First, what do you usually do at the weekend? At the weekend, I usually visit my grandparents, play sports, go shopping, watch TV, go out with my friends, stay at home and relax. For example, at the weekend, I usually visit my grandparents and play football with my friends. Second, do you like staying at home or going out at the weekend? Why? I like staying at home because I like going out because, for example, I like staying at home at the weekend because I can relax and watch TV. I like going out at the weekend because I can meet my friends and have fun. Third, where do you usually go at the weekend? At the weekend, I usually go to the park, the cinema, the shopping mall, my grandparents' house, the countryside. For example, at the weekend, I usually go to the park with my friends. At the weekend, I usually go to the cinema and watch movies. At the weekend, I usually go to my grandparents' house. Fourth, what activities do you often do with your family at the weekend? At the weekend, I often cook meals, go shopping, visit relatives, go on a picnic, watch movies with my family. At the weekend, I often go shopping and have dinner with my family. Fifth, what time do you usually get up at the weekend? At the weekend, I usually get up at 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, later than on weekdays. For example, at the weekend, I usually get up at 8 o'clock because I don't have to go to school. Last one. What is your favorite weekend activity? My favorite weekend activity is playing football, reading books, going on a picnic, traveling. Because, for example, my favorite weekend activity is going on a picnic because I enjoy nature and fresh air. So that is all about our weekend. Thank you.